Review for Amico 12-pack 6-inch 5 CCT ultra-thin LED recessed ceiling light. If you're in the market for high-quality, versatile, and energy-efficient lighting solutions, the Amico 12-pack 6-inch 5 CCT ultra-thin LED recessed ceiling light is an absolute game-changer. This product has exceeded my expectations in every way, and I can confidently say it's one of the best lighting investments I've made for my home. Here's why. 1. Exceptional build quality and design. The first thing that stands out about these lights is their ultra-thin design. At just 0.47 inches thick, they blend seamlessly into the ceiling, creating a sleek and modern look. The build quality is top-notch, with durable materials that feel sturdy and long-lasting. The installation was a breeze, thanks to the included spring clips that securely hold the lights in place without any complicated wiring or tools required. 2. Adjustable color temperature, 5 CCT. One of the standout features of these lights is the 5 color temperature options. You can easily switch between 3000K warm white, 3500K soft white, 4000K natural white, 5000K daylight, and 6500K cool white to suit your mood or the specific needs of each room. Whether you want a cozy, warm ambience for your living room or bright, daylight-like illumination for your kitchen or workspace, these lights have you covered. The ability to customize the lighting to match the time of day or activity is a huge plus. 3. Energy efficiency and brightness. These LED lights are incredibly energy efficient, consuming only 12 W while delivering a bright and consistent 1100 lumens. Compared to traditional incandescent or halogen lights, they save a significant amount on energy bills without compromising on brightness. The light output is evenly distributed, with no flickering or dim spots, creating a comfortable and well-lit environment. 4. Dimmable functionality. The dimmable feature is another fantastic addition. Paired with a compatible dimmer switch, you can easily adjust the brightness to create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening at home, the dimming capability adds a layer of versatility that enhances the overall experience. 5. Value for money. The fact that this pack includes 12 lights makes it an incredible value for the price. Considering the quality, features, and performance, it's a steal compared to other brands on the market. Whether you're lighting up a single room or an entire floor, this pack provides everything you need without breaking the bank. 6. Easy installation. Even for someone with minimal DIY experience, the installation process was straightforward and hassle-free. The lights come with clear instructions, and the included mounting hardware ensures a secure fit. The ultra-thin design also means they work well in spaces with limited ceiling depth, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. 7. Longevity and reliability. With a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, these LED lights are built to last. I've been using them for several months now, and they've performed flawlessly without any issues. The consistent performance and durability give me peace of mind knowing I won't have to replace them anytime soon. Final thoughts. The Amico 12-pack 6-inch 5 CCT ultra-thin LED recessed ceiling light is a standout product that delivers on all fronts. From its sleek design and adjustable color temperatures to its energy efficiency and dimmable functionality, it's a versatile and reliable lighting solution for any home or commercial space. If you're looking to upgrade your lighting, I highly recommend giving these lights a try. They've transformed the look and feel of my home, and I'm confident they'll do the same for you. Rating: 5 out of 5 stars. This product is a must-have for anyone seeking high-quality, customizable, and energy-efficient lighting. Don't hesitate. Make the switch to Amico LED recessed lights today.